to our iMonitor tutorial series. In this video, we focus on additional triggers to generate map coverage, which can be found in the implement setup. Setting the correct triggers is crucial for accurate documentation and precision in guidance. If you haven't watched our previous setup videos yet, we recommend checking those out first. For many implements, activation or positioning is carried out via the tractor-mounted hydraulic distributors. And because there are various types, multiple settings are available to ensure optimal performance. To begin, you need to set the appropriate cap command, which is responsible for activating the application. After selecting or creating an implement in the setup menu, go to the ECU map coverage menu. Here, you will see a list of available cap commands corresponding to the hydraulic distributors. Ensure that only the required trigger for Autocover is activated. Next, you must set up the type of the hydraulic application in use. It's important to differentiate between activating map coverage for a hydraulic-driven implement versus a hydraulic positioned implement. Go to the tractor settings, then access the hydraulic distributor settings. Tap on the corresponding status area. If you're using a hydraulically driven implement, which means the map coverage should be active while the hydraulic distributor is engaged, set the distribution mode to toggle. For hydraulically positioned implements instead, you need to set the distribution mode to direct or configure a timing. Regardless of how the hydraulic hoses are connected, Autocover will activate or deactivate based on the cap command, whether you're extending or retracting the hydraulic function. For accurate coverage, ensure that the cap control is always returned to neutral after operating. For the other implements, the iMonitor offers additional trigger settings. To access these options, create a new implement and select ECU type None. This will give you access to 3 additional options. Virtual. This option provides a master switch. Pressing the master switch will activate or deactivate the map coverage. Steering engaged in virtual. This option allows you to activate map coverage when automatic steering is engaged, with the master switch still available for manual control. External console input. This advanced option allows you to use an external button or sensor to trigger map coverage, which requires additional hardware to be installed. Your dealer is available to assist you with this installation. That concludes this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your iMonitor.